The Firebird name has always carried weight in the world of American muscle cars, and in 2025, it's back with a vengeance. A fusion of retro styling and cutting-edge technology, this new Firebird is not just a car, it's a statement. It pays homage to its heritage with sharp, aggressive lines, a low-slung body, and the iconic Phoenix emblem spread across the hood. But under the hood, it's anything but old school. Pontiac may have disappeared from the mainstream automotive scene years ago, but the legend never died. The Firebird's revival in 2025 is a response to the undying demand from enthusiasts who long for the return of a true American muscle icon. And this time, it's packing a punch that can go head-to-head with the biggest names in the industry. Beneath its sculpted hood lies a supercharged 6.2L V8 engine, pushing out over 700 horsepower. The moment the engine comes to life, it growls with a deep, throaty rumble that sends shivers down your spine. The raw power is harnessed through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring that the Firebird grips the road like never before. This isn't just about straight-line speed, it's about total control. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect blend of retro charm and futuristic innovation. The dashboard is wrapped in premium leather, with carbon fiber accents adding a modern touch. A digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while a holographic heads-up display projects vital information onto the windshield. But Pontiac hasn't forgotten its roots. Classic round dials and a T-top roof option bring back the nostalgic charm of the Firebird's golden days. Technology is at the heart of this beast. An advanced AI driving assistant, custom-tuned driving modes, and real-time brake vectoring make the Firebird a track-ready machine straight from the factory. The adaptive suspension adjusts on the fly, ensuring a smooth ride in the city and razor-sharp handling on the corners. And for those who crave the sound of pure muscle, an active exhaust system lets you switch from a quiet cruise to an earth-shattering roar with the push of a button. But it's not just about power and performance. The 2025 Firebird is designed to be a daily driver too. A spacious cabin, high-quality materials, and cutting-edge infotainment keep the experience comfortable and connected. Wireless charging, 5G connectivity, and a premium sound system ensure that you stay entertained and in control, whether you're on the highway or carving through mountain roads. The Firebird is more than just a car, it's a movement. It's the rebirth of American muscle, a rebellion against the norm, and a tribute to the golden era of performance cars. The streets have been waiting for a new legend, and in 2025, the Firebird answers the call. It's not just a machine, it's a symbol of power, passion, and the relentless pursuit of speed.